What makes this business so magical is definitely the people. We have some very great people, all walks of life, from all over the world. We like to get along. Now, not everybody's going to get along every day, but for the most part, we do. In fact, we were voted best company to work for several times, which is a big accomplishment for me. My daughter Whitney does a very great job. She's so personable. Even when she was just a little baby, 3, 4, 5 years old, she could go and talk to people and calm them down. And she has really developed that into a leadership form that really works for her. So by me teaching her every day that the chi was very important, she caught on to it and she took it from there. And I guess it all just drizzled down from the top. And I'm just very pleased with everybody.
I love working at Pipe Wrench because of the people. They all get along. We have great synergy. HR has done a stand-up job in bringing in wonderful new employees. The caliber of our crews this year, our service technicians, our call center dispatchers is above and beyond where we were.
We have had a fantastic year this year. Our sales team has done an incredible job. Our sales numbers are up and they keep continuing to do better. Hopefully that trend continues on. I'm very thankful to be here that Pipe Wrench has allowed me to come on board and help everybody around me.
We have been very fortunate as a company in 2021. Our mission statement of becoming the best plumbing and HVAC company in Knoxville, it drives our business. We have a fantastic team. We've been able to introduce some of the latest technology in 2021 that helps us improve the customer experience. So once again, Pipe Wrench, because of the mission statement and because of our drive to be the best, we're able to hire and train the best folks, and that makes it enjoyable to come to work each day. So Pipe Wrench rocks.
What a year this has been. We've been blessed with an abundance amount of work. Sometimes it's even hard to keep up. Plumbing Install has done phenomenal this year. We have done so many jobs. We've had so much work, it's unbelievable.
Wow, the future looks great for Pipe Wrench. I don't know if anybody's noticed it, but we've won Best Plumbing Company 5 years in a row. We've got an HVAC department that is really coming on board. We've got some of the best techs, some of the best equipment, some of the best marketing, television, radio, billboards, you name it, we've got it.
So I've been around Tom before he even started Pipe Wrench Plumbing, helping him when I was 14 years old. Just to see how this company has grown and what it's become, starting out of an 85 Chevrolet truck, it's just heartwarming to me, to see how it's grown.
So this year has been awesome at Pipe Wrench, especially in my department, and it's been fun to watch my girls grow so much. We've got some new lead CSRs, dispatcher, install coordinators, and they are working together to make sure the customer's taken care of, and they're all having fun while doing it. So it's been really cool just to watch them grow and do new things and just absolutely rock at it.
It's been a great year for our HR and training department. We have grown exponentially. We've hired some really great people. I feel like we've got our culture right where we want it.
I love working at Pipe Wrench because it has a family atmosphere. It's a fun place to work. It's intelligent, and it's like a big group of friends. And that's the reason why I really love working here.
This year, Pipe Wrench has been successful in a lot of ways. So I've seen a lot of growth in just the short time that I've been here. We've increased revenue, we've increased a lot of controls and procedures in place, and that's been the one thing that I've noticed. It's a really good culture here.
You guys are like a family to me. I love you, your spouses, your kids. You mean the world to me. And you do so much for me, and I'll always have your back. Thank you.
are going forward in a big way. Everybody that's on board right now, they see maybe 75 or 100 employees, whatever we have, but in just a moment, we're going to be at 200 employees. My wish for everyone in this room, and there is a whole bunch of you, but I mean it's from my heart. I have worked so hard for so long to be able to sit here in this moment. This is the moment I've been waiting for all my life. 2 employees, 6 employees, 12, 24, 36, 40. I've seen it grow. I know where it's going. And I'm so thankful to God that this was the life I was given.